thought this was my real hair though.
Oh, that's sad. That's not your real hair.
Yeah. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Skye Ashanti. If you don't know me now, you do. I showed you guys from start to finish how I installed this wig. Yes, I use a ball cap method. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I already know you're gonna like it. You like what you see, I know you want to see. Big shout out to NADULA HAIR for sending me this. Y'all, it's bomb. Like, come on now, y'all can't tell me y'all didn't think this was my natural hair. Like, this is really a vibe. Okay, I'm not gonna talk no more. I'm gonna get straight into the video, so let's go. Let's get into this hair install. So prior to filming this video, I did braid my hair back in 8 braids. They do not have to be neat at all, especially because they're going to be under the wig. Then I cut ear tabs around my ears to make sure that the nude cap was flush against my skin when I applied glue. A little bit of rubbing alcohol and got any dirt and debris that may have been on my edges from oils. Product I like to use around my hairline when sticking the cap down is got to be spray. 1, it's faster. 2, I just feel like it's easier to peel off afterwards. Try to cut as much of the cap as you can, but also leaving an inch space around your hairline. You don't want to put it too far down where it's touching your eyebrows, and you don't want to put it too high up to where it's not covering enough of your hair. To stick down the white pieces on the edges of the cap after cutting, I'm going to spray a little bit of got to be spray on my fingers and apply it to make it seamless. Use any complexion powder that you have to run that all over the cap. Make it look like your actual skin, so when we apply the wig, it will look like scalp. Today I used the Isha wig adhesive, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't like this adhesive not one bit. It does not last long. It is so gummy and sticky. I hate it. I don't know where my bolt hole is, but you can definitely use that, which is a really good glue, and also Ghost Spawn. But anyway, I applied 2 layers of this. What you want to do is apply 1, make sure that it dries clear, then apply the other one. And once that dries clear, you can pull the wig down to your liking for placement, and then make sure you take the comb and push the hairs back to make sure that it doesn't get inside any of the glue. Please make sure that you take your time when you're at the gluing process. If you move way too fast and you don't allow the glue to dry completely clear, I promise you it will show. Like, as you can see here, I was being very impatient and you can see little spots of white glue. Don't do what I did. Make sure that you wait until it's completely dry. Use a blow dryer if you have to before you apply the wig. It's time to clip the hair back and cut the ear tabs. I don't have a specific method to how to cut the ear tabs. I personally just like to feel around my ear and cut as I go. Make sure you do this very carefully to not cut your ear and to also not cut too much lace off to where you can't do sideburns.
Ooh, ooh. Can I see the layers? Can I see the layers?
To cut the excess lace, I alternated between a blade and a pair of scissors. My pair of scissors was not sharp and I need to get new pairs, so that's why I used a blade. But whatever you like to use, you can use that. Make sure that you are cutting zigzaggy. That may not even be a word, but it is today. You just want to make sure that you're not cutting the lace in a straight line. If you cut it in a straight line, you're going to notice it. So try to just cut it really jagged, and that will help with blending it. Now we are done with the install. You can style in hot comb and we're finished. You really thought this was my real hair though.
Oh, that's sad. That's not your real hair.
Yeah. At the end of the video, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. If you want more videos on how I actually like layered the hair and everything like that. I also posted a video prior to this on how I made this wig, so you guys can follow along with making the wig and then come over to this video and figure out how to install the wig. If you haven't watched it, I'll put it in the eye above. Definitely check out my last video first because it gives all the details on this hair, the links, the company, like I said, NADULA HAIR, and all their social medias. I will have it on this video as well, but that mainly gives in-depth details on the hair. This looks so much like my natural hair. Let me show y'all what it looks like right here, okay? I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all.